Alright, let's go fly. Throttle cut is on right now. Let me do a little burner in the sunlight. It's a little dark right now, but at least you can see. From this angle, it's really bright in the air, so let's go get it up in the sky. We've got all that nastiness coming. So let's go tear it up in the sky for a little bit. Also, another thing I'm going to do on this plane, see how these nozzles are black? I have some paint that is the color of the metal that's normally on these exhaust nozzles on these planes. So I'm going to do that. But for now, I'm going to go fly.
Landing.
Flaps down because this plane likes taking off with flaps. This is one of the few E-Flite planes that I've flown that had flaps already, I mean not flaps, it had the fan already balanced from the factory. So
Landing flaps.
Trimming, lots of right trimming. Alright, a little bit of sun. Wow, look at that. Oh my god, all that dark. Alright, let's go fly this. Get a good landing. A little cross, we can still do it. And then we're going to get the big Hornet out and get the hell out of here. One thing I kind of find annoying with this plane is how far it rolls. It's cool having gear that are low resistance, but I kind of like the braking effect when they land. So, alright.
Tiger cleared.
Nobody here, so I don't need to yell taking off. I'm just going to take off. Let's go.
Gear up. Flaps up.
Burner shining bright. I have a gyro in this plane, but it's not enabled. So, ignore the noisy motorcycle going by. I'm probably going to enable that. But if I do that, I have to get rid of the Afterburner being on a spare channel and then just have it run through the Y cable on the throttle, which is easy to do. But I like the way that the Lemon RX work. I really like those. So I think I'm probably going to do that during this downtime with the rain. So thing flies amazing. Sounds really good. I bought this through Pilot Ryan. He has a Hobby Zone page. If you guys want this plane, you need to buy it through him. It doesn't cost you any extra, but it does help out your buddy Pilot Ryan. He's done a lot for this RC community. I've so far gotten 3 planes with his links. Just bought one. Help your fellow RC guys out, especially people like him who's been around for a long time just doing it for the love of the hobby.
Time remaining 1 minute.
So help your people out. If they help you, help them. Now I have the timer set for 3 minutes because I normally fly with the 5,000. I've got a 6,000 in here so I can go a little bit longer. Well, I don't normally. This is what I fly the plane with normally, but when I first set up the plane, I used the 5,000 pack.
9, 8, 7.
So the timer is set for a 5,000.
4, 3.
And I'm going to leave it that way just in case I do fly it with the 5,000 again. So I use the 6,000 now, and that's the one I'm going to stick to it. Let's do a couple more downwind passes. Kind of cool seeing it on with the clouds as a contrast. I'm going to try to do one pass really low so you guys can see the burner as it goes by. It's kind of hard to do with the hat cam, but since it's only me, got to work with what I got.
1 minute over.
So time to come in after this. There you go. Hopefully you can see that. Alright. Gear down.
Gear down.
Landing flaps. Gear is all hanging like it should be. We are setting up to land. This plane has been my nemesis when it comes to landings. So it's really made me work. There we go. I got it. Oh, see? Still doing it. As soon as I push down elevator.
Flaps up.
Alright, so still is. This is one of those planes I'm going to have to work at. And that's one of the main reasons why I kept it, because it's forcing me to do things right. Look how far it rolls. Just rolling and rolling and rolling. Alright, so look at all that. Ooh. Alright, so let's get this plane put away and get the big F-18 out. It's time to go. That's it.